Hi, comrades. Welcome to another episode of GeoGuessr with Demon Rider. Hi, Demon Rider.
So, hi guys, this is our first team. We are playing GeoGuessr,
All right.
and this is our first country. We are playing countries.
So,
So yeah,
can you zoom on that? Let's see
yeah,
which
I think it's
language is this.
Netherlands. This is Dutch. I
hmm
would say this is Dutch.
But let's not rush. Let's get at least one more symbol. If you go near any of those buildings, you might see a flag.
Yeah.
I think on your left, there's a church, right?
So guys, we are playing on a slow machine. We are poor, so
Yeah, yeah.
you'll have to bear with us for this. We are poor, just like Soviet countries now.
Ouch. That hurt.
Yeah, I
This
think
is,
this is Netherlands only.
yeah, I mean, it is quite evident, but let's
Pretty,
just
I
let's
would say
just
this is
view
pretty
something
clear.
else.
It's Netherlands only.
Let's view
And we
something
get
else.
something from the cars. Let's see that signboard. Can't see
Hmm.
anything.
Can you go forward?
Yeah, wait. Yeah.
hmm
Let's see that signboard.
Oh
No,
God,
this is not Netherlands.
this is in Russian.
Yeah, this is Russia only. What do you say?
I really feel this is Moscow. I don't know why.
Yeah,
Because I mean this.
yeah, this is Moscow, Saint Petersburg, Petersburg, I would say.
Yeah, just zoom on that cab. Let's see which language. Because if it is, oh, this is Russia. This is 100% Russia.
Yes,
But
it's Russia only.
let's catch the flag. We should see if we get the flag somewhere. See if we get the
That's
flag.
also Russian.
There should be
Yeah,
a flag somewhere near.
that's a church. That's a cross.
So this is an Orthodox church,
Yeah, so it's Russia only.
probably. I think we should go with Russia. We should. I think this
Yeah,
is quite evident now. Let's select Russia. May the blessings of the holy USSR be with us. Russia is so huge. Yeah,
okay.
that's
That's
right.
that was pretty easy, I would say.
Yes, and I think it's where is it?
The first, the first
I think
signboard we saw,
it is Saint
pretty
Petersburg,
close
right?
to Europe.
Saint Petersburg. Yeah, exactly Saint
Yeah,
Petersburg.
it says Petersburg. That's what I
Okay,
said
let's
now.
move on to the next round with the grace of the
Yeah.
Holy Soviet Union. All right.
This
Okay.
seems South America, I would say.
I mean, this can be literally anything right now. Let's go. So weather does not seem cold.
Yeah, that's why I said South America. This is not. We can rule out Europe,
Yeah, Europe. This is not. Well, we can't rule out Europe, but I mean,
but
99% this is
we.
not Europe.
Yeah,
Okay, lots of greenery. However,
there's a signboard there.
where? Okay. At least you can catch the script here. I think it's not going
This is
ahead.
no.
Okay, there's only one way. Okay.
Back to where we started.
Yeah, I think this is where we started.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be tough for us.
Mhm. because these types of features can be found on almost any planet
Oh, so
except Africa.
now we have a road. So there
Okay.
must be a signboard here.
Uh,
That's a signboard. So this is Asia. I would say Korea.
okay. Korea or Japan.
This is Korean script. This is
Okay,
Korean,
then.
not Japanese. A bit different than Japanese, but this is Korean, I would say.
Okay, so South
And
Korea, evident.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
is that a
it won't
flag
be
on that?
North Korea. Google Street is not available in North Korea.
Even if it was available, there's no way this is North Korea.
Yeah, this is not North Korea. Hyundai,
Wait,
this
wait.
is Korea. Surely this
Oh,
is Korea, South Korea.
okay. Let's go with that.
Pretty easy, I would say.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very
it's
close to the
Korea.
coast, man.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
my God,
pretty
this is
close
very
to the
close.
coast. So first two are very easy, I
Oh,
would say.
this is
This is
Europe.
Europe.
This is
This is
Europe.
Europe.
This is literally
Small
what Europe
streets, clean
means.
streets.
Everything in
So this is
order.
Mazda. This is Renault. So I would say that we can roll out UK.
Yeah. I think this
This
is
is
probably
Western Europe.
France. This is France.
Western Europe, I would say. This is France. This is Citroen. So this is France. This is France only.
Just
But
catch.
cars
Let's
we
just
can say.
catch the script.
Okay.
Okay, this is Germany, man. This is
This is
Germany.
German.
No, wait.
Germany.
It can be. It can
But
be. It can be
it can be Austria
Belgium.
also.
Yeah,
It can be
Belgium,
Austria
Austria.
also.
Let's catch a flag. If there's a flag,
Yeah.
we can.
See this.
Yeah, so it is a
I don't know what's
German-speaking
there.
country. It's a German-speaking
So
country.
one
That's what I
difference
know.
between Germany and Australia is that, like in Germany, you will see more blurred things because of the privacy laws there, and in Austria, you can see all of these things. So I can see a lot
Okay,
of
it is
things.
Austria.
So
This is
I
Austria.
don't
This
think
is
this is
Austria.
Germany.
This is Austria.
This is Austria.
Yeah,
This is
I saw.
Austria. That's what
Actually, I
I'm
saw.
saying.
No. Actually, I saw Austria written there.
What?
Oster. Oster means.
Where?
I mean, Austria in
Where?
German. Oster, right?
Oh, this is.
Oster in Germany. In German, the name of Austria is not Austria. It's called Osterreich.
So,
Means
do you
Eastern
want?
land. I mean,
So are you sure, or we can go with this?
I'm 99% sure, but let's just wait for another sign. It would be
This is FedEx. We can see FedEx everywhere.
FedEx.
Something on there? Nothing.
No, I don't think there's anything here. If you keep on any road here, we would get a sign.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. It's between Germany and Austria, mostly
Yeah.
Austria, because most of the things are visible. And you told me about Austria also. So I would say this is Austria.
Can you zoom on that? What school the start wine? It is so
Could
it
it be
means school
Switzerland?
of
Could it be
so
Switzerland?
wait. This means school of the wine city. Schul der Stadt
See,
wine.
do you know about this
Yeah, the
symbol?
flag. Yeah, the flag. This is basically a coat of arms, but it is also like their flag.
So could this be Switzerland also? Because yeah, GmbH, like this is Germany.
No, GmbH is the German abbreviation for
Yeah.
an for a limited
That's what I'm
liability
saying.
company.
It could be Austria or Germany. That's what I was saying.
This is Austria, I would say. But
Yeah, this is Austria. But
let's see something
let's
else.
see. Castrol.
No sign there. Can you see mountains close by? So these are company names. These are, okay, go to that. Go to that huge building. If you can.
See, this is type of a square. So like we can get a lot of input from it. This is .80 Austria. This is Austria.
Just go ahead. Got that first clue from the Austria thing.
Yeah. So let's wait. This is our free account.
Okay, just $2. So guys, you can donate $2 if you want to see us play the premium versions. All right.
Okay, it was Austria. It was Vienna, I think.
Oh wow. Nice. Okay, so Vienna. Okay, so Vienna is written
Oh,
as
it's
Vienne.
Vienna, the
Okay.
school of Vienna. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. School of the city of Vienna. Okay. Nice.
South America or Asia, I would say.
This
This is.
can even be Africa somewhere near. No, no, not Africa.
I don't think this is
This is
Africa.
probably yeah, looks like Asia. Can you catch the script?
We have to see people here. Or script,
Yeah.
a bit racist, but yeah.
So this guy is not
So let's
stopping.
see them.
Police. Okay, this
What
is
the
an
fuck, man?
Asian country.
A police guy in his shorts with a guy something on his legs. What they're doing, I don't know, and I don't want to know what they are doing.
This is a strange police. So this is an Asian country. That
But
bit is confirmed.
no, I'm a bit confused here. Like,
I think that is a woman, a police officer. I
yeah,
would say this is Asia, right? Southeast Asia, somewhere around or maybe.
no, it could be South America also.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Could be.
So bye, guys. You see them.
Okay, lots of two-wheelers here, so probably a poor country.
Yeah. So I would
That's
say
the way we
this
came.
can be anything from Indonesia. Not Indonesia. I don't think this is Indonesia, but it could be anything in South America or in the southeast. No,
So this one will
in
be tough.
South Asia, I would say. Yeah.
This one is tough. Man, this can even be Brazil or something like that. We don't know.
That's what I'm saying. It could be anything in South America. So we can rule out Europe and Africa.
Yeah, yeah. It's too green
And
for Africa and too poor for Europe.
could this be China? No, I don't think
I
so.
don't think so. Doesn't China have any risk? Okay. What the hell is this? This looks like Russian. I don't know.
No, this is not Russian.
I mean, it looked like Russian, something like that.
The landscape doesn't seem Russian.
No, it is certainly not. It is certainly not Russia, but looked like Russian. And the people
Yeah.
don't look. People don't
Yeah,
look.
people
Russian.
don't look Russian. So there's a car. Let's see that car. Okay. So, wait, there's a signboard here.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Oh
So
God!
can you get anything? So this is Asia. This is not South America. See.
Yes, South America would have been the Latin script. I think there's another.
I would say this is Thai. This is Thailand. This is Thailand.
Okay, let's keep that. I think there's another board to your left. Yeah, that board. Yeah, where your cursor is pointing. Yeah,
This board.
One. Yeah, can you catch a glimpse?
Yeah,
there's another board. There's another board.
So
I think it's Thailand.
This is Thailand. You can see the flag there.
From the
and this is like from this also. This poster is of Thai king. I would say Thai royal family or something like that. So this is Thailand only.
We actually did a stream yesterday also, but it is only available for premium customers. I'm joking. We messed up the recording. Okay, Thailand. Yeah, got it. I think this is our greatest streak till now.
Yeah. Yesterday we got.
All right. I don't know why.
Tough countries too. So we are getting very.
But it seems.
South America, I would say.
Yeah.
This is not Asia. This is not Europe.
Lima.
This is South America.
Yeah, this is South America.
It's probably. Lima. So this is Peru. Where did you see Lima?
LEMA. This is. But
where?
That is the currency Lima is LIMA, right?
Yeah, that's Lima, but could be they use LEMA.
So one thing, so this is probably South America.
this is 100% South America, I would
And
say.
probably a rich country. I mean, not a rich, but at least uh, a developing
Not, we
country.
can't see.
Okay, wait,
Yeah,
wait. Casa spray fab
this is
e granito.
South
Spanish,
America.
Portuguese. Yeah, this is South America, the Latin script. Okay, okay.
Um,
Oh, uh, this might
do you
even be
know something
Mexico
about
now.
it?
So Rua comes from the Latin RU. I don't know how it is pronounced, RUE. So that means street. So
Okay.
Jose Silveira. So this can even be Mexico. This is definitely Latin America. So this is basically a street sign. It says Street of Jose, something like that.
Um, can we guess Mexico at this point, or do you
Yeah, we
want
can.
some more hint?
Mexico can be guessed, but
I would
it
say
can be
I would
okay.
say
Oh, there's another thing there. Augusto Sasso. Okay, there's another street here. Can
I
you
would say
read
this
what
is
is
Mexico.
no, but we
Yeah,
can't.
this is the city is written below this CHA something like that.
Can you read it?
No, can you?
Okay, no. That's why I asked you. So we should probably look for some other sign. Here.
Okay, this is a nice
Oh
sign.
yeah. This is a good omen, I would say.
That's a beetle.
Wow.
So this
Hell of a
seems
gate.
like a rich neighborhood there.
Yeah, a rich neighborhood.
This is Ford EcoSport. The houses are pretty nice, I would say.
We just need to see a few more signs. That way we
Yeah,
can confirm.
see, here we can see something, I would say.
Okay, Polizia Parafuso
So
Trabalhador Melancia Hernandez Virgino. Can you switch on? I think there's something in the right side as well. Melancia. Oh no. So there'll be a lot of signs here. Let's just wait. Let's just move from here. This
so see, uh, one sec. This is REAL, and this is 1.00. So this must be the currency REAL. So Brazilian real is there. So I would say this is Brazil, because see, this is currency REAL. What do you say? Should we go with Brazil then?
we should look for some other sign. But
I would say this is Brazil on this. Yes. So where do you want
we
to go
should
next? Here or
to your
here?
left, to your left, to
What
your
do you
left. There was a bigger building. Yeah, here.
what do you want to see?
Go forward. I think there's a building up there. There are a few shops even. Okay. No, nothing here.
Nothing here.
Okay, here I can guess easily, I would say. What does it say?
Not that
Yeah,
easy.
Villa America. Okay.
I would say this is Brazil.
Oh, no, wait. I think there's something to your right as well. Just zoom on those
Where?
on those shops. Any of those shops on the right. I think on the right there are a few shops.
Okay. So the
Brazil,
country code
Brazil,
is
Brazil,
17.
Brazil, Brazil.
This is
It's
okay,
written.
Brazil. Yeah,
It's
it's
written there.
Brazil.
Oh God, it's getting too. Oh
Moving
God.
on, this is Africa. Okay. A bit racist, but what I could say.
So I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, you just continue.
Okay. So guys, we can see something here, but something we need to find a signboard. Pretty bleak, I would say. Can't see anything here. But this is Africa. That's pretty sure. Um, company is this. Nothing of help in here. This is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is same everywhere. Something on here. So this is an English-speaking country. That's confirmed. So I'm in Africa. There's a signboard. Wedding decoration and fashions. Okay, they are conducting wedding, graduations, and
Hi, Demon, I'm
funerals
back.
also.
I'm back.
So,
So this is
so this is
this place speaks
uh,
English.
yeah. So
Uh,
they offer services in wedding, graduations, and funerals also. So a person can have all these things from here only. Nice.
okay. Does it seem to you like Africa?
Yeah, this is
African country?
Africa.
I mean, did you see any concrete sign of Africa?
Um, not that concrete, but yeah, it's Africa, I would say.
Okay, what kind of people do they have there?
Um,
Hello.
so like we are stuck here.
Okay, we can wait.
Yeah. Do you want to see
Uh,
people?
yeah. Um.
This is Africa. This is Africa. Okay.
Okay. So this is probably a developed part of Africa. Kenya, Nigeria, not
Could be
Egypt.
Kenya. No, this
Yeah,
is not Egypt.
no,
We can rule
definitely.
out Egypt. We can. This could be Nigeria. This could be Kenya. This, but like we can rule out Sudan, Ghana, and
Why?
all those
Why those? Okay,
Beca-
no point in
because this
standing
is a
here.
bit developed.
You have to move forward, man.
Okay. So something here. Can we see something here?
That's a van, something like a van. So they have
Nothing.
cars here, and this is probably their one of their best neighborhoods, I would say.
Debate,
Okay,
racist,
love,
and peace.
love and peace. Here's Salon. This is a very nice name.
Yeah.
Sadly, you can't guess anything from this name. Yeah, go on that
Let's
way.
go there and see this signboard. What
Here's hair
does it
salon.
say?
Hair salon. Hair salon.
It's a hair salon only.
Okay, we see a
So this
shop.
is tough.
Yeah,
See,
this is
this
tough.
is tough. We, we can't see any signboard. We can't guess from the script because it's English only. So this is a bit tough. This is north. See something from this. Nothing.
Richly
This
schema. This is a
this is a
school.
school.
Probably
This
a
is a
school. Yeah.
school.
I think Toyota should be popular here. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hair salon. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing here.
But most of the people here don't have hair, so like don't know why there are so many hair salons here.
Okay, that was a bit racist. I don't know why you said that, but I mean it's true. Yeah.
So
All right, this is a chore.
this must be a this is a church. So we can rule out something.
I
Can we?
think we can rule out probably Nigeria. Okay, here we can get a guess. Here we can take a guess. Can you zoom on anything? Literally anything here.
No.
Says
This is the
DSTV.
max.
Okay, I think there's something to your left as well. Can you go there? To your left, to your left. Oh, that's the same school. Okay, okay. No, oh, there's a sign on your left, on your left. What does it say?
Wait. That was something not in English. That was something
It can be
different.
their local language. At least
Yeah.
we can get Boka
This is
Bosa.
Wanda, I would say. See,
Why did you?
I thought I saw R and W there on the church.
That's Holy
No.
Rosary or Rosemary, something like that. Okay, you can keep on moving. Okay, to your right, to your right. I think there's some another hair salon. No, this is a generator, I guess. I think we should move in the direction of the cars. Okay, I think there's something there. To your right, to your
Where?
right, to your right, to your right. There's a huge wall where there's something written. Okay. Wait, in the opposite direction. Okay, free tablet.
When you register. What
Anything
type of
else?
tablet? No,
Oh, so,
nothing.
to your the wall on your left,
So this we can see.
Equiniswini Secondary School. Okay, nothing from here.
No.
You should keep on moving. No point here. Yeah, that way.
See,
Lots of
once again.
lots of hair salons. This must be something wrong here. I mean, why do they have so many hair salons? This is a slum. Looks like a slum. You can move on further. Okay, little more. Man, this can even be Heishi, but we should have seen
I would say
French
this is
there.
Africa. This is Kenya or something. Um wait, I'll have to go for a minute.
Okay. Looks
Sorry
like
for that.
Africa.
Yeah. Maybe our streak will end here only.
Probably.
Let's hope we can get something. I want to get a streak of 10, I would say.
Mhm.
Seems a bit tough.
I mean, some countries were as easy as I would say 2 to 3 minutes, like Austria. Okay, yeah,
What Shabalala? What
Shabalala
is
building material
Shabalala?
supply. I don't know, man.
So see, this is building supply material. If we can guess what this is, then we can narrow it down to something. Can we guess what this is?
What?
This material, what this material is? Is this something? This is
These are kind of bricks.
okay. Like product.
I mean, can this be South Africa?
No, this is not South Africa. I don't think so. This is
I mean, the
South
undeveloped
Africa.
parts. Could it be the undeveloped
Yeah,
parts?
but no, I don't think this is South Africa. I would say this is again Nigeria or Kenya only.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see this. Nothing. Again, one more hair salon. Is it peep again? Let's see that signboard.
Mm-hmm.
What this is?
This is a college.
This the college. Grade art, well, something business, engineering. This could be something.
I have to go for a few seconds.
Sound face. So this is a bus stand. Maybe we can get area 21st August Drive. Nothing from here. Um, if we get one email or something like that URL, Escom distribution, nothing. So this is tough. South Africa. This is South Africa. You were right. Together we move South Africa forward. Hello. Are you there? Sorry guys, seems we have lost him. I'll be waiting for him for some time.
Hello? Hello, Demon?
I thought we lost you there. It's South Africa.
Yeah.
Together we move South Africa forward.
Yeah.
It's South Africa only.
That's what I told you. Na? It can be South Africa because English is very prominent here. And this is probably a black majority area.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing like that? Well, why is there a piece of land inside South Africa which is not South Africa?
So this is this landlocked piece is Lesotho.
Is this another country?
So Lesotho is a country which is different from South Africa, but it is landlocked by South Africa.
What
Like
the
it's
hell?
inside South Africa.
So I think.
And we sometimes get Lesotho also in this GeoGuessr.
Okay. Let's hope that's not the case. Oh God.
But it's pretty easy, I would say. Again, it's South America or Europe.
Looks
Not
like
Europe.
this
Asia.
is Europe. This is Europe.
This is Europe. This could be Europe.
And this is probably Central Europe, something like Central Europe.
This is not Nordic countries, I would say. This is
No,
not.
definitely not Nordic. I would
This is
say
should we hail USSR for this or not?
no. I don't think so.
No. See this car. This seems from USSR era.
But the houses are pretty good. I mean,
Not pretty good. Like the
look at the house to the left of this. Demon. Sorry, guys. I think we lost Demon there. Yes, Demon. Demon.
so can you stop the recording for a minute?
Yeah, sure. Okay, Demon. We are back.
Sorry guys, a bit of interruptions there.
Okay, I think
From where were we? So this is Europe,
probably, yeah.
and this car seems from the era of USSR.
Sad
Moving
man.
on.
The estates look nice. I mean, I think there's a big town to your left. Can you see it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
there.
we should go there.
Could could this be Italy or something like that? Spain or
Uh,
Italy?
these kind of these red tops,
Kind of houses are like. I don't think
Spanish.
this is
Oh,
French
this is
countryside. I think this is Italy or Spain only. No,
the cars don't
like
look European. I
the
would be very
cars.
honest with you.
Yeah,
But still, we can go to the city. Okay, I think I saw a map there. Oh, sorry, a flag there. Can you
there's a flag.
oh can you go near this? Just want to see what. Oh God. Oh yeah yeah. No,
There.
to your right. Is it? No, this is not a flag. This is a Canton flag probably. Okay. Oh wow. What is this?
This is
Russian.
Greece, I would say.
No,
No, this
this is
is
not
Greek.
Greece.
This is Greek. This is Greek.
What? Wait.
This is this is
Okay.
Greek.
So
And
so is it Greece or
and
the
the
Balkans?
landscape also fits.
Yeah, somewhat. Yeah, but is it Greece or the Balkans? Oh, the flag looks
That's the problem.
nowhere. Like, what is that flag? Can you go to the flag, please? Oh, this is a Balkan country. I don't know what it's called. Croatia.
No, I don't
Check.
think this is
This is the
Croatia.
Croatian flag. Yeah,
So
probably.
yeah, this is yeah. You're right. This is Croatia by this flag.
Yeah, this is the Croatian flag.
Yeah.
But do you want to continue or are you satisfied?
What Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the flag, I would say.
Okay, then I mean it's Croatia for that. Can it be North Macedonia?
Okay,
Oh
it was
God.
Serbia.
I mean the flags look almost the same.
Yeah,
Look
the
at it.
flags look pretty
All
same.
right.
Yeah.
I think we have
Again,
another account. Can you log into the other account?
so
Or
yeah, we can, but I don't think we can play on that account because we can play after 24 hours only. So yeah, we can't.
all right then. This
So
was the end. So we guessed 6 countries. This was I would say this was a foolish thing to do. We just jumped on
yeah, this was a
Croatia.
foolish thing.
We could have
Yeah.
seen another flag or something like that. So all right.
Yeah.
Still, I mean 6 countries is nice. Not bad.
Yeah, pretty nice from the last time.
Yeah, so I
It
think
was 3, now it's double.
yeah, so we'll probably double this next week also.
Yeah.
So I think we can stop the recording.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Peace.